Eufy X10 Pro review, a new era in smart home cleaning. Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be reviewing a groundbreaking new device in smart home cleaning, the Eufy X10 Pro. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at all the features, advantages, and user experiences of the Eufy X10 Pro. Let's get started. The X10 Pro Omni is Eufy's flagship robot vacuum, boasting an impressive array of features. It handles all your cleaning needs, vacuuming, mopping, self-emptying, and even washing and drying its mop pads, all at a more affordable price than similarly equipped models from competitors. Design and build. The X10 Pro Omni has a sleek yet robust design. With 3 liters water tanks and a 2.5 liters dust bag, it's equipped for extensive cleaning. The dark, imposing exterior and deep tread tires give it a serious, business-like appearance. The vacuum features a black satin plastic shell with a LiDAR navigation tower and 3 power buttons on top, along with a camera and LED lights on the front. At the back, you'll find the charging contacts, water injection point, and dust collection port. The dustbin is accessible via a flip-up lid on top. 2 of the 3 buttons have dual functions, allowing you to perform basic tasks without the app. You can switch the device on and off, send it back to the charging station, start a spot clean, reset the Wi-Fi connection, and enable or disable the child safety lock. Measuring 35 by 32 centimeters with a low profile of 9 centimeters, 3.5 inches, the robot can easily navigate under most furniture. The deep tread tires on its wheels make it seem like an off-road version of a typical domestic robot vacuum, resembling a mini monster truck. In our tests, it easily handled raised room thresholds. The vacuum has a single sweeping brush and 2 large detachable mopping pads, each about 15 centimeters in diameter. The Omni station measures 46 by 36 by 22 centimeters and has a substantial presence in a room. Adding the detachable base plate to the front extends its footprint to 48 centimeters, 18.9 inches. So you might prefer placing it in a utility room or cloakroom rather than a lounge or hallway. The Omni station features 2 3 liters water tanks, clean and dirty, that slide into the left side, and a 2.5 liters dustbin on the right that holds the dust bag. The 140 centimeters power cable fits into the back, offering flexibility in placement. Performance and features. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni offers outstanding performance with its 8000 pascals suction, I.C object recognition, and Pro detangle comb. Setting up the X10 Pro Omni is straightforward. Unpack the robot, remove the protective coverings, attach the base plate to the station, and plug it in. When choosing a location for the station, ensure it's near a power outlet and has adequate space from the wall. Keep in mind that if you move the station after the initial mapping, you'll need to remap the area. To start, turn on the X10, fill the tank with water, let the robot charge, and download the Eufy Clean app. Enable your smartphone's location, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi to connect the device. The connection process is smooth, and the X10 Pro quickly and accurately maps the space, even handling a 2 centimeters threshold where other vacuums might struggle. It also organizes the cleaning area logically. The Eufy Clean app homepage offers 3 cleaning scenarios: full home deep clean, full home daily clean, and post-meal clean. You can also create custom scenarios. In a custom scenario, Smart Mode automatically selects a cleaning strategy based on the room type. You can choose fast, standard, or deep cleaning intensity, vacuuming, mopping, or both, suction level, and mopping intensity. The edge-hugging mopping feature makes the robot twist close to edges for better cleaning near walls. Additionally, you can set the robot to clean once or twice and select specific rooms or zones. The X10 Pro excels at vacuuming, with a dustbin filter that traps small particles, resulting in noticeably lower dust levels after repeated sessions. In our flower test, the X10 Pro required 2 sweeps on maximum suction to remove all the flour, which is commendable for a robot vacuum. Real-time reporting via the smart map in the app is impressive, particularly the object recognition feature. If the X10 Pro encounters a stray cable, a cable icon appears on the map. You can also set the robot to take photos of obstacles. On average, the X10 Pro vacuums 9 square feet in about a minute, meaning a 161 square feet room takes approximately 17 minutes. It took roughly 1 hour and 20 minutes to vacuum an entire 527 square feet floor. The noise levels are relatively low, even on maximum suction. Mopping performance is equally impressive. The X10 spins its mops at 180 revolutions per minute and applies 1 kilogram of downward pressure. At a high water level, the floor feels damp to the touch, more so than with other robot mops we've tested. The mop pads only descend when mopping, and the robot returns to the Omni station to wash and dry the pads at 45 degrees Celsius. App features. The X10 Pro Omni offers several advanced app features. Multi-map ability, you can save multiple floor maps, making it easy to use the X10 Pro on different floors of your home. Adjustable base station settings, customize settings for automatic mop washing, drying, and emptying. You can set the Omni station to wash the mop after each room or at intervals between 15 and 25 minutes. The drying sequence can be set for 2, 3, or 4 hours, and the robot can be set to empty every 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. Obstacle photos. The robot can take photos of obstacles it encounters, although you may choose to disable this feature for privacy reasons. Smart tracking. Activate this feature by pressing the front bumper with your foot for 3 seconds, and the robot will follow you, cleaning as you walk. Additional app features include manual controls, direct the robot in real time. Schedule cleaning, set specific cleaning times and days, and select which parts of the house to clean and how. Cleaning history, view a log of cleaning sessions, including date, time, floor space cleaned, and duration. Carpet detection, automatically lift the mop when detecting carpet or avoid carpets entirely. Do not disturb and child lock, standard features for convenience and safety. Accessory services page, track the remaining life of your side brush, rolling brush, filter, sensors, and dust bag, and watch videos on how to replace them. Voice control, use voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. Price and availability. At $799, the X10 Pro Omni offers high-end features at a mid-range price. In the US, you can purchase it from Amazon or directly from Eufy. In the UK, it's available from Currys, Very, Amazon, or directly from Eufy, with no price advantage among retailers. Should you buy the X10 Pro Omni? The X10 Pro Omni provides flexible cleaning without much hassle, making it a great choice for those with less organized homes who don't want to frequently empty and refill tanks. If you're looking for a robot vacuum and mop that delivers high performance and convenience, the X10 Pro Omni might be the perfect fit. If this model isn't right for you, check out our roundup of the best robot vacuums for more recommendations.